welcome back to Jack's Online Maths. We are still on indices. Today we're going to look at exponential equations. Okay? Good. Now let's do the first example. We have 2 exponent x equals 8. Now, because we have base 2 here, we have to break the 8 to base 2. Okay? So you have to ask yourself, 2 exponent what number will give you 8? It is not 2 times what number? 2 exponent what number will give you 8? So we write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. It means that 2 exponent 3 will give us 8. We are going to have 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 3. Because 2 exponent 3 will give you 8. And we are getting it? Good. So the law says that whenever the bases are the same, we should use the exponent. So x is equal to 3. So this is our final answer. And we are getting the steps. That's good. That's good. Now let's try the second example. Now they all have the same basis. Base 2, base 2. Good. So as the law says, whenever the bases are the same, we should use the exponent. And take note, here is exponent 1. So take note. So we are going to have x minus 2, that is the exponent, equals 1. Because the 2 is exponent 1. That's why we had 1 here. So take note. Now when you get here, the next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have x is equal to 1 plus 2. Because 2 is negative. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So we are going to have x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. And we are getting the steps. That's good. Now let's try the third example. Now here we have base 3. So we have to break 27 to base 3. Okay? So 3 exponents, what number will give you 27? So write 3 times 3 will give us 9. 9 times 3 will give us 27. So it means that 3 exponents 3 will give us 27. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2x plus 1 equals 3 exponent 3. Please, it is not 3 times what number will give you 27. It is 3 exponent what number will give you 27. It is 3 exponent 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 27. So take note. So the law says that whenever the bases are the same, we should use the exponent. So we are going to have 2x and the exponent plus 1 equals 3. The exponent. Now, the next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have 2x equals 3. Now, this 1 will cause the equal sign to become negative 1. So we are going to have 2x equals 3 minus 1 will give us 2. Now what are we looking for? We are looking for x. So what are we going to do? Good. Your guess is good as mine. So you are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So we are going to have 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 divided by 2 give us 1. So our final answer is 1. So this is how you are going to what? Solve exponential equation involving indices. So take note. Now let's try the next example. Example 4. We have 3 exponents 2x equals 1 out of 81. Now this one contains fraction. So we want to write it in exponential form. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2x is equal to 81 minus 1. Take note. 81 minus 1. Why? Because we know that 1 over a is the same as a negative 1. And a exponent negative 1 is the same as 1 out of a. So take note. So that's why we change the 1 out of 81 into an exponential form. So when you get this, let's bring the 81 to base 3. So 3 exponent what number will give you 81? It is what? 3 exponent 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4. 4 times will give you 81. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2x equals 3 exponent 3, 4 into bracket negative 1. Please put the negative 1 in bracket. Please, if you don't put it in bracket, you get it wrong. So take note. So the law says that whenever the bases are the same, we should use the exponent. So we are going to have 2x is equal to 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 4. Now do you know something? If you don't put the negative 1 in bracket, you will be tempted to subtract the 1 from the 4, which is wrong. Automatically you are wrong. So put this in bracket to know that you are going to multiply the 4 with the negative 1. So take note. Good. Now when you get here, we are looking for x. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x is 2. So here by 2, here by 2. 2 cancel 2. So x is equal to 2 goes to negative 4, negative 2. So this is our final answer for the fourth example. And we are getting all the steps. Good. If you have any question, please ask. I will reply you. Now, I want you to try this example for me. The last example. Try it for me, okay? So we have 4 exponent 2x minus 1 equals 1 out of 16. Good. Now, the way we did the example 4, the same procedure we are going to use for example 5. Try and submit your work. I will check it for you. Please keep on enjoying mathematics. Keep on following JATS so that you get your fundamentals in mathematics. I wish you all the best.